I'm Angie, and if you haven't visited this channel before, we do all kinds of things like arts and crafts, and wig videos, and furniture restoration. And today's video, we're going to check out some really cool waterfalls that you could make at home. But before we do that, I want to let you know that today's video is for Team Seas. If you've not heard of Team Seas, it is an organization put together by MrBeast. He's a very large YouTuber, but I'm not sure if my audience watches that kind of stuff on YouTube, so I thought I'd let you know. No offense, MrBeast, if you're watching, because I know everybody knows you, but I just in case. So anyway, this is for Team Seas. I'm going to put some information in the description below so you can donate to Team Seas. Basically, MrBeast is getting together $30 million to remove 30 million pounds of garbage from the oceans and other waterways. Anyway, check out Team Seas below. You can also donate, I'll put that link there. And my video is basically to promote Team Seas by giving you the link in the description. Donate! And also subscribe to my channel. I'm funny sometimes when I'm not awkward. But anyway, let's get into the video. Here we go.
I have over 10 unique fountains to share with you, and you can find all of these and more on the Etsy website, which I'll leave a link in the description to. A lot of these fountains were made by creating fake water with a clear plastic type of resin. Sometimes these pieces even carry real water inside them back and forth from basin to top. There are also a lot of videos on YouTube that show exactly how to make these type of fountains. I'd love to know which one is your favorite, and so would my children in the background. Leave that in the comments below if you'd like to participate. Be sure to check out the number on the top right corner so you know what number corresponds with which fountain so that you can vote for your favorite. I may even recreate your favorite one if it gets enough votes. This fountain was created using parts of terracotta planters. Totally unique and a great way to recycle. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can't do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. This is absolutely gorgeous. Definitely search this one up on Etsy, and this one. These are really, really neat. This is one of my favorite looks. I think it looks really cool with that old style barrel. Again, I'm sure that decorates their garden quite nicely. I would encourage you to check those out as well. These are all just so unique and all handmade from Etsy creators. We need to applaud them and show off their work.
Thank you guys a ton for watching my list video. I hope you enjoyed, and be sure to look in the comments below for the donation link to Team Seas. Clean the oceans, my daughter wants to swim, and so do my grandchildren. I don't have any yet, but one day I will. So, peace out. Oh yeah, and subscribe! Was that weird? I didn't mean to yell at you. Just trying something new, sorry, bye.